All right, Raging Bull, front row. Last time we rode this, what row were we last time we were on this? Fourth, was it fourth, third row, I think. So I figure I got to do it again in the front. Man, look at the beautiful paint job on this thing. 202 feet in the air, I think it is. It's opened in 1999. I remember the year it opened. Look at all the pollen on the, you see it's a big pollen problem here right now. You can see it on the train. Oh man. It's got to be one of the longest lift hills in the park. It's built by B&M. You can see another B&M beauty right there, Wrath of Rakshasa. Opened last year, the dive coaster. So we're about 20 feet taller than that right now. And the best part of Raging Bull is this false drop at the top. Oh man, it's good. Here we go. This is the best part. Well, it's the second best drop on the ride. Here we go. Look at Viper. Here we go. Woo-hoo-hoo! Yeah! Right into the tunnel, baby! Yeah! Yahoo! Yeah! Oh, yeah! Awesome air time right here. Yes! Yes! Woo! Oh, the blood rushes through your face. Oh, the wind just hitting you right now. Oh, man, right here. Oh, no, that's the roughest part of the ride right there. Always the roughest part. Oh, yeah, again. Oh, right there. Okay, this is the best drop on the ride. Tell me I'm wrong. This is the best. Yes! Oh, yeah, that's good too. Woo! Man, we are cooking. We are cooking. Oh! Put your tongue back in your mouth. Oh! Oh, the bug hit me. Oh! Yes! Oh! Wow! Oh, man! Raging Bull. Decent ride. Oh, that's awesome.
Dad, you want to ride again?
It's pretty good. You want to go again?
Yes, a walk on.